Today we're going to talk about adhesives for collage. We have a glue stick, school glue, and something called gel medium. The brand of my gel medium is Mod Podge. So if you're using a glue stick, the best kind that I found is this Uhu brand. It has a twist off top, so it's easy to know when you have it closed properly. You're going to need a piece of scrap paper to use glue stick, because you need to take your image, flip it over, put it on the scrap paper, and pull outwards towards the edge of your shape when you are using the glue stick. And this is going to get glue all over the back, which is why you use the scrap paper. And now I can just close this up. Always close your glue stick. I can tear this piece off and throw it out. Glue my thing down. And make sure I really press. And if I have an area that peels up, oh, here we go. I could go back and kind of add a little bit more. Now with school glue, a lot of times you have to make sure that your top is clean. I don't really like to use school glue that much because it makes the paper kind of warp. But if you're going to use the school glue, again, grab a scrap paper. So again, sometimes you need to clear this area out. And when you go to put this on, you're just going to do little dots. Okay, don't really squeeze it too much. You're mostly just kind of dotting. Always close this back up. Always clean your nozzle. And sometimes you'll notice you'll get these things oozing off to the side. You can just sort of clean them off and then clean your hands. And this did wrinkle quite a bit, which is why, again, I don't really like to use school glue. Now, gel medium, you're going to need a cup to pour it in, and you're going to need a brush, an acrylic brush. Gel medium is good when you want to seal the entire thing and then paint on top of it. And the way you use gel medium is you need a scrap paper underneath your work surface, an additional scrap paper, because you're going to go to the back of your image and totally brush the gel medium on the whole thing. And then lay this on here. And then you're going to brush on the top part of it as well. Now the gel medium I'm using happens to be glossy gel medium, but if you want a surface you can write on better, I would suggest using matte gel medium. And just like the school glue, the gel medium does tend to warp a little bit as well. And you can actually use the gel medium to seal your entire image. It doesn't have to just be the one drawing. Now, gel medium ruins brushes, so make sure you wash this with soap and water and you really scrub. And don't pour this down the sink, either put it in the bucket or the trash.